I really love the black bezel, and it's like very, very pink, which I love. It's like a soft pink, like a pastel pink. Pulling out to the first position, we can move the hands. So I'm gonna give you 24-hour sweep. That way you can go ahead and see that the date will move by itself. And turning off the light and flashing the black light, it does have a neon green bloom, which is very beautiful. Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I'll be giving you a tour video of this Tudor Inner Miami, they like to call it, with the pink dial, stainless steel, and a black bezel. So they also refer this one as the pink flamingo. So this one, we do have the box right here in this beautiful condition. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, opening this up, it looks like there's the box right here, the inner box. And there, the watch it is right there. In that beautiful pink dial with that nice bracelet. It almost looks like their take of a Jubilee. So there you go. And that nice beautiful clasp. Here's the pillow roll. As you can see, that clasp is in very good condition. And then I'm going to go ahead and take it off of this pillow and just count the links real quick just to show you guys this is fully linked. And here we'll have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it looks like it's fully linked, and just to show you guys the full beauty of this watch. So let's go ahead and showcase the condition of this watch. Here we have the bottom angle. Here we have the bottom left. Here we have the case side. Here we have the top left. Here we have the top of the watch. Here we have the top right. Here's the crown side. Here we have the bottom right. And this beautiful clasp, as you can see. And this is like their take of the Jubilee bracelet, which is very nice. This is also a trifold clasp. And here we have the Tudor logo in here. And we have the open clasp. Here we have the beautiful case back. Next, we're going to go ahead and show you the functions of this watch. I also want to point out I really love the black bezel, and it's like very, very pink, which I love. It's like a soft pink, like a pastel pink. But I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the crown. So this is a screw down crown. So to unscrew, you just turn it that way. And to wind the watch, you just turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. That way it gives enough power to the power reserve. Alright, so pulling out to the first position, we can move the hands. So I'm going to give you 24-hour sweep. That way you can go ahead and see that the date will move by itself. Beautiful. You see the flick down. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it to the 6:30 position. That way we can change the dates. There you go. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but I'll turn it to the side and the dates are moving. So it's going to 19, 20, 21. So they are moving very smoothly, and as they should. All right, there you go. Another function this watch has, it does have a chronometer function. So to start the chronometer, you do have to unscrew this, and that way once you unscrew it, you're going to be able to go ahead and press the button. There you go. As you can see it fully move. And I love how they do this when there's a racing watch, but it looks very classy when they add the Jubilee bracelet, or Tudor's version of a Jubilee bracelet, and you can still wear it wherever you go, and you're definitely going to get a lot of compliments on this watch. Everyone's going to stop you and wonder, where did you get that watch? They just have to be tapped in. But here's this beautiful chronometer going, and you can see the subdials move as well. So as you can see, it fully went. So this function is like for when you're racing in a track and you can time yourself. And to reset, you do have to unscrew this part as well, and then that way you can go ahead and press the button and it will go ahead and reset the hand. So once I click this, there you go, it reset. So I was just checking if it had a rotating bezel, but it doesn't. But this does have some lume, and turning off the light and flashing the black light, it does have a neon green lume, which is very beautiful. All right, so now after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this watch back in its pillow, and we're gonna go over the set contents this watch comes in. So the set contents this watch comes in is, you pull this out and it has all the cards. See if anything's in here. So we have some little hang tags here. I'll go ahead and pull those out and put this back in, tuck the watch in. So right here we do have this Tudor warranty booklet. So it's just a warranty booklet. And this is just the booklet, how to explain the actual watch. It's a user manual. Here's the warranty card with the serial number on it and the date of purchase. And here we have the Tudor hang tag. Here we have the actual hang tag when they had bought in this watch. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.